All right, we're bringing it back. We're mucking up the twin turbo Speed Engineering twin turbo kit on Gente 376. The 376 is for the MC. This engine is still out with revolutions, so we're using this one to mock up because the other one is still stuck in there. And I let Freddie use my engine jack, so that's why I can't pull the engine out. All right, on this one, it has fitment issues with the accessories. See the accessories? It's not letting it fully seat. And it's hitting here. And it's dumping right at the motor mount for a G-body. So this is easily fixed by just changing this one. That's where the turbo mounts, and it mounts to the header. So if we elongate it, elongate it and twist it straight, I think this will go straight like this, and it will be a perfect. They send me all these little pieces for the V-bands, extra ones. Where they're right here, like these, so I can make my own tubing for this. I just cut right here, get myself a new stainless piece. The only problem is going to be the tigging, but I can probably just TIG it because my machine TIGs. Just TIG it, put a tack, and have somebody fully TIG it in completely. I still gotta clock the turbo correctly. I gotta clock this up so that you can feed the oil and drain down. Clock this one. It has to clock straight down, or it might clock this way. We still don't know until we get in there. That's for the MC, but for the truck doesn't have these accessories. It will have the stock truck accessories from GM. So I still gotta mock those accessories onto that engine and see if we don't have this problem with it. I doubt it. What else? They send you all these tubings. We're not gonna use these couplers, so we are gonna fucking V-band it. These together. They two 62s. So I'm gonna build this one on camera. Let's see what kind of clearance issue we have on this side. But remember, everything is still usable because this is a universal kit. They try to do it as best as they can. Like this part is gonna have to get cut here and go straight back and then dumped by the axle, but not by the axle, by the frame rails and shit. So this is still, it's not like, oh, you know, I gotta send it back kind of shit. It's just we have to modify it. So now I'm gonna do this side step by step, but it's me only today, so you know I might skip some stuff. All right, bringing it back. I was doing a lot of modifications, not modification, but I moved this one from over here and this one over there, and shit's still hitting. And the thing is, this kit is not for this engine. So let's say if I clock this to fit perfectly on this engine, this kit is not for this engine. And remember the engine right there? Danny told me that is on the dolly. It's on the casters. I said, oh man, I could have been done this shit. I could have brought it out and not modify, but put the kit on this one and test it with the truck accessories instead of those accessories. The problem is the hot pipes are hitting the accessories. For this engine, when this turbo comes, we're gonna modify it. Like it's gonna need longer. It's gonna be longer, and straighten this one out, and that tube will fit in there. Same thing for this one. I need to strain it out, and the tube will fit for this one. See, the tubes are here. This tube is for the driver's side. You see? Because they fit fine if I put them like this. But you see the downpipe? See? They have to be in here. Downpipe has to be in here. So right here, they don't start mating up no more once I go in there. Same thing for that side. Same thing for that side. Whoa. So what I'm gonna do is just change the kit over to this one, and we're gonna see what hits and what doesn't hit what the truck accessories that this engine's gonna use. It's just gonna use a vintage air AC compressor. So I'm gonna just pull the compressor brackets and stuff so we can mock it up on that shit. All right, this one is mocked up and downpipe is installed. Okay, I figured it out. I figured out why it's hitting. I figured out why I put the truck accessories on it and it's hitting. But I figured it out because I read they don't come with instructions, but I read the description on Speed Engineering website, and this turbo kit is built around LS1 accessories. LS1 accessories has the power steering on top, alternator in the bottom. So that's why that one's hitting and this one's hitting. So that's the power. Okay, so for this one we haven't not ordered no accessories, so that's fine. I just gotta get all LS1. The only problem is gonna be the sanding compressor. There is using a sanding compressor on this side, so this side is still on this engine. So I'm gonna mock it up right now. I even clocked the turbo correctly. Now it's facing down. The feed, the drain is facing down. Okay, everything's clocked in. You don't have to take it apart. You just gotta back up these bolts, and the whole center piece will rotate. Oh, I didn't have it even, but fucking recording. But okay, but you back this up. You back these up. You don't have to take it apart, and you rotate it to wherever you want it to be, and then just lock it back in. This is all gonna come apart because all the hot side is gonna get ceramic coated. So I just use hand tools. When it comes back from ceramic coating, we're gonna put Loctite in there and do it correctly. So right now it just mock up. Everything's mock up. Make sure all these are sitting in place and working together. So I just gotta get LS1 accessories for it, LS1 crank, and accessories. The only thing is, what the LS1 pump clears this motherfucker. I'm not sure about the LS1 clearing this one, but I'm gonna check that out. I think I have an LS1 pump here, so I'm gonna check that out, see if it clears. I'm gonna move this one onto the engine so I can start clocking this turbo, testing everything. And the thing is, the sanding compressor is like this. It's almost like this for this truck. It's just the brackets we order are for a truck accessories, because that's what we was running. We was gonna run the truck accessories on it. So I just gotta get the spacers or whatever. If I have to get the Camaro spacing for the sanding to be on top, if it's even possible. But I think it does have enough clearance over there to be pushed backwards for the Camaro spacing. If not, I'm gonna see if we lower mount the sanding with Camaro spacing. But now we're gonna have to fucking watch out for the fucking cam member, and I don't know where this tube is gonna end up at. For this one, when the turbo kits come here, I just gotta extend this piece, extend that piece, modify the bottom downpipes, and modify this piece right here, and that's about it. So we can keep the accessories. And then the thing is, we gotta mock it up inside the engine bay. Make sure we got the room and everything for that car. For this one, we don't have accessories, so we just gotta get the LS1 accessories in house. So when it all comes together, it works. But I'm gonna go find the LS1 pump, try that on, and move over this the passenger side header over to this engine. All right, found the water pump, LS1 water pump, and look how lucky we got. See right there. See the little metal thing right there? See like how close? Super close, look. All that is. And we got lucky. So we got lucky on the fitment on the water pump. So now I'm gonna move on to trying the passenger side header. I'm gonna leave the water pump on. All right, I just loosen up this side, just so we can rotate. See, this little red tab has to be facing up. So we rotate, let it face up. Right there. I'm gonna lock this side, and then I'm gonna just loosen up this side so we can clock the rest of the turbo. You see how it's facing backwards right now? It has to be facing down. Alright, so now, see? And you just rotate it. Just rotate it, facing straight down. And there you have it. Now I'm just gonna lock these down, and that's it. Alright, and there you have it. She is mocked up. Everything fit in place. Like I said, it was because of the accessories. That's why it was hitting over here, because this accessories was already in the engine that came with the car. So we're gonna reuse this accessories for this car. So we're gonna work around them. This one doesn't have accessories. It had truck accessories, but now we're gonna swap over to LS1 accessories. The only thing is gonna be the compressor here. I should bring the compressor and just dry test it. Other than that, it's just good. You can see the downpipes. They clear the motor mounts. All right there, they clear the motor mounts right there. See that? On this side, same thing. They clear the motor mounts. Jetty wants to say hello. Oink, 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 oink. Get away. Come on, get away. The starter point right there. He's cold because it's cold out here. It's like around, I want to say, in like 68, 70. So it's cold and he's cold. He wants to go in. And that is, she's good because all that, what you see there is going to get ceramic coated. The hot side of the housing of the turbo gets ceramic coated too. You can powder coat this side to whatever color you want and shit like that, but we're gonna leave them like that, bare. But there you go, there you have it, and that's it. On to the next video of Sundays, when you're gonna see this shit get mocked up onto the truck, and we might get to mock up this engine onto that. Hoping she fits. Right now I'm gonna get the tape measure and measure from here to the end of the block right here, so I can measure that firewall, that piece right there, and measure forward to wherever the turbo is gonna be in here. But all these are trash. You got all new metal for the front, but we're gonna cut and do shit to this one, so all we have to do is mock it up to the new ones and just do a better nice cuts around it to wherever so it can clear everything. And that's about it. So catch you on the next video.